Okay, so I am sharing the screen. Have you checked the sheet I have given to you last class? What I have been discussed? Today I will discuss about the even and odd signal, and I will show you some examples so that you try at your home. Okay, some homework will be given and you just do practice at your home. Okay, so let's start the even and odd signal. So what is the even signal? The signal which remain identical under folding operation, that means the time reverse. If you change the time, let's say it is t, and if you change it to the minus t, that is called the even signal. Okay, let's say cos t. If it is cos minus t, then the result will be cos t. If it is cos t, the result will be cos t. That means it is even signal. But if you consider the sign, the symbol will be changed. Okay, the negative sign inside the before the angle of the sign will come in front of the sign, so that would be odd signal. In another word, the signal whose magnitude is equal and symmetrical about equal to 0 is called even signal. The condition to be even signal is xt is equal to x of minus t. It is the condition for the even signal. Okay, we'll see. And condition for the odd signal is the signal whose magnitude is opposite but symmetrical, but is called the odd signal. The condition of odd signal is x is equal to minus x of minus t. Okay. In another word, the signal whose amplitude reversal happens under time reverse folding operation, that is called the folding operation. It's called the odd signal. This time reverse is called the folding operation. Okay. These are the example. See this. These are the even signal. These are the even signal, and these are the odd signal. See, the amplitude has been changed. We have discussed it last class. Okay. At t is equal to 0, the value of odd signal must be 0. See this. Value of odd signal must be 0 at the time of 0. Okay. The average or mean value of an odd signal is 0. Average to condition at t equal to 0, the value of odd signal must be 0. See, here value of the odd signal must be 0, and the average mean value of an odd signal is 0. So average value is 0. Minus 6 minus 3, 3, 6. So average would be 0. The first one fulfill the first condition. Second one fulfill the second condition. Now look at this. Xt is equal to cos of t. X of minus t is equal to cos of minus t is equal to cos t. So x of t is equal to x of minus t. That means cos t is an even signal. Again, if you consider x t is equal to sin t, now put the x of minus t is equal to sin of minus t. That is minus sin of t. So x of t equal to minus x of minus t. So sin t is an odd signal. Why odd? See this one. This symbol has been changed. Negative sign come forward. Here positive. Same. So x t is equal to x of minus t. But here x t is equal to sin t. X of minus t is equal to minus sin t. That means x t is equal to minus of x minus t. Right. Minus of x minus t, because x minus t, instead of x minus t, you can write the sin t. Minus symbol will come forward. Okay. That is the thing. So sin t is an odd signal. It is even, it is odd, even and odd, t to the power n, n. Even signal, odd signal, even and odd signal, okay. Now even and odd component, let's say, every signal can be resolved into two pairs. So if I give you a signal, you can break it in several pairs. Some pairs have even component, some pairs have some odd component. Okay, even and odd components are there. So remember this. Every signal has multiple component. One is even component, another one is odd component. Okay, so try to just look at the equation here. What is the equation? The even component is EETE, the odd component x naught t. And xt is into xt plus x of minus t divided by 2. That means the even component. The odd component x naught t is equal to x of t minus x of minus t divided by 2. Okay. So if we look at the equation, so it is the summation of all. Xt is equal to x of et plus x naught t. Okay, so it is the just try to remember the equation. Okay, see this. Just look at the properties. Look at the properties, please. Even signal, DC value, x naught t, DC value, even value. Even plus even is equal to even. Even plus even is equal to even. Even plus odd, neither even nor odd. Decimal plus odd, neither even nor odd. Even into even, even. Odd into odd, even. Odd into even, even. DDT of even, if you differentiate the even, odd. DDT of odd, even. Integration of even, odd. Integration of odd, even. 1 over even, even. 1 over odd, odd. Even by even, even. Odd by odd, odd. Okay. Lots of properties are there. I think it is difficult to remember all, but you will do understand when you do the practice. Okay. When you do the practice, then you will understand everything. Okay. So practice is the main thing here. So let me show you some example so that you can understand. Now, see the question here. Equation is given. See the equation. See the equation. Equation is given. Cos x of t is equal to cos t plus sin t plus cos t sin t. The question is determine the even and odd signal or the odd component of the signal or the following signal. Okay. Even and odd component has to be find out. Find the even and odd signal. Find the even and odd signal. So see here some components are there. See. So first of all, what to do? You can write the if you have the notebook, you can write. You can do practice now. Okay, see cos of minus t is equal to cos t, right? And sin of minus t is equal to minus sin t. We know that. We know from the trigonometry from our childhood. We know that that is the trigonometric criteria. Okay. So x of minus t. What is the x of minus t? What would be the equation if I put the x of minus t? x of minus t is equal to cos of minus t plus sine of minus t plus cos of minus t. Now here see, if you look at the equation here, cos of minus t what? Cos of minus t is equal to cos t, cos t. Sin of minus t what? Minus sin t, minus sin t. And again minus cos of minus t, cos t, and sin of minus t, minus sin t. It is multiplication, right? It would be multiplication according to the equation. It would be multiplication. Now x minus t will cos t minus sin t minus, so this minus will come here, minus cos t sin t. So now compare here. So this is even signal and this signal odd because sign changes. See, sign has been changed. Sign has been changed. So these signals are odd signal. So if I compare it, just look at the main signal. XCT, that means the cos t. X naught t sin t plus cos t sin t. So this is the odd signal because of the sign change, and that is the even signal because it is as it is. Okay. Now try to understand the equation, and if you have any confusion, please ask me. Okay, so it is important. Now see, here some other methods are also there. Just look at the other method, what they did. See this, x of et just even to, that is another method. X of t plus x of minus t by 2, just put the values. Okay, x of t, we know the x of t, now put the x of minus t, from x of minus t, then it become cos t. So it is that is the even signal. Now what would be the odd signal? Just put this equation here. So sin t plus cos t. So you can do this method also. Okay, to find out the even signal and odd signal, you can use these equations also. X even t, xt plus x of minus t by 2. See this, how they do this. So, okay. Since it is math and I am not doing on the whiteboard, so I am giving you some time to see the math. Okay. Okay, you can use this method also. Okay, so you can use this method x of et, xt plus x of minus t by 2, and x naught t is xt minus x minus t by 2. So you can do this method also to find out the even and odd signal, or you can do this simple method also. Okay.
The first one is easy.
Okay, you
First method.
understand? Anyone, you
Yeah.
can use any method.
First,
Any
okay.
any confusion there? You can tell
What
me.
was the same? Okay.
Do you have any confusion?
No step for me.
It's okay.
Yeah. I understand the first answer, yeah.
The first one is your second one is easy.
Yeah.
Okay, here another method. See, apply the properties of even and odd signal. Cos of t even, sine of t odd, even and odd multiplication is odd. Even and odd multiplication is odd. Okay. So you can use this method also. So I think you can follow this second method. Okay, I think you can follow the second method because in this method mathematically you'll find the even and odd signal, right? I think it is my guess.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Second method, because you do not need to think anything. Just remember this formula, put these equations according to the formula, and you will easily find the even signal and the odd signal. So you do not need to remember other thing. But in the first method C, at first you need to change the cos and sine and see what is the where sine has been changed, those things. Okay. So it is up to you. You can use any one, or you can use the third method, direct, put the equation and write the conditions. Since we know it is even or it is odd, and it is odd into even, so it is odd. Properties. So according to the properties, it changes. So three methods are there. Now see, some examples are given. X1t is equal to t squared sine t plus t to the power 5 into t to the power 7 plus sine of t dt plus d dt of cos t into t to the power 3. Okay. Here, see, another thing, let me show you. See, t to the power n. If n is equal to even, the even signal. If n is equal to odd, then it would be odd signal. So this property will go to this one. This equation. 5 into 7. So that is the, both are odd signal, right? Both are odd signal,
That's it.
right? Both are odd because look at the power. 5. 5 is even or odd? It is odd. And 7. 7 even or odd? 7 odd. So it would be odd into odd. Okay, and sin t dt integration of odd signal. Okay, like this. You can see individually. In this case, I think you follow the formula. So I follow the properties for this equation. The first equation, for the first equation, you can follow the properties here, right? You can practice at your home, and for the second equation, you can also follow the properties. Okay, and third equations are there. Okay, so you can do practice at your home so that you get more idea about the properties of even and odd signal. Okay, so today that is our main topic, but I will start few things for the average signal. Okay, I will show you a few more things. Okay, so this is your odd or even signal, example of odd and example of even signal. Okay, try to do practice at your home, and I think I have to give you the a soft copy of your signal system book. I have to download, or I have to check out my hard drive. See this, see the property. Even into even, even. Odd into odd, even. Odd into even, odd. See this property. Okay. Odd into dt, even. Even into dt, odd.